Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. If mic icon located next to three dots is not visible, click on this gear one, select voice typing, and tap on this gray sweater next to use voice typing feature. Then go back to your keyboard. As you can see, my icon is over here. In order to use voice typing, click on it and create your message. In order to stop it, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!